Chuckle, and I've worked for Taylor and Messick for 21 years, and that's when a lot of this all took place with Walter. He always had in his mind to have things for kids so they would know how things were years ago when their parents and great-grandparents and their grandparents were growing up. Walter, he'd always come in the shop and he'd have a great big arm full of stuff, and he'd go back in the corner and set it down. Later on, he'd clean it up. I always asked him about it, and he said something about putting it in a museum one day. This is a room Walter always said was the tool shed, where he kept tools in that they used around the farm. And he always wanted everybody to see what they had years ago in their kitchens. And he collected all this stuff. Everywhere he went, he'd always get some. About anything that you find in a kitchen was right in that small space there. That used to be a source of power for pumping water and stuff like that. You put an animal on there and they'd turn it. All these, they were called unstalled tractors. And probably a lot of people have heard Walter Messick say, anything that is in this museum, run. There's not a piece in this museum that wasn't running when it was put in here. This was Walter Messick's pride and joy. The day he went to get this tractor, he carried a briefcase with him, and all he had in that briefcase was $1 bills. And he come home and he says, I just bought a tractor, 4,000 $1 bills. What do you get for it?